this is how we foam roll the Piriformis. Okay, so start by sitting on the roller. We're going to do one side at a time, so I'm going to do my right. Okay, you have your hands behind like this, cross your ankle over the knee, and then rolling back and forth, applying pressure on the side of that up knee. So I'm rolling my right glute and piriformis area with my right knee up. Okay, so I'm starting kind of with my chest pointed forward more, getting more of like the inner glute, and then I'm going to start slowly turning my body to the side to get more of the outer glute and hit the piriformis a bit more. Okay. Any areas that feel especially tight, you should stop and work on that area a little bit more. Okay. And then I would switch to the other side. That's the piriformis.